Hail Mallrat hobbyists, this is the OC Mallrat and welcome to OCM Hobbies. In this video, we will be unboxing this Necromunda, Games Workshop Necromunda, Delaque Weapons and Upgrades. So this is a typical Necromunda upgrade box for the 3rd edition of Necromunda. It is currently 2025, so if you guys are watching this in the future, yeah, this applies to current Necromunda stuff. Okay, so I got this because I am an Imperial Guard player, and it has a lot of compatible weapons for your IG army, or even your Space Marine army, or Imperial agents, anything Imperial. Unlike the other, with the exception of unlike most of the other Necromunda upgrade boxes or weapon upgrade boxes, which have primitive weapons like the Codder and the Goliath ones, or two high-tech weirdo weapons like the Vansar ones, and the Escher one has heads. The Delaque and the Orlok boxes are great for a Imperial Guard or an Imperium 40k player because you get a lot of compatible weapons. So let's check this out. Much like the other boxes, there's probably gonna be two identical sprues of something. Okay, so there you go. Delaque Weapons and Upgrades. Let's see what the date is on this box. Copyright Games Workshop 2022. So that it's a new box, really. Yeah, I thought this was because this edition of Necromunda, 3rd edition, came out in 2017, 2018, I guess. But the Delaque are a newer. They were around. They're a newer gang for the newest edition of Necromunda. They were around. They were one of the original gangs for the 1st edition, but in the 3rd edition of Necromunda, the Delaque Gang was absent until they came out with Necromunda Hive War, if I'm not mistaken, and that did come out in 2020. So let's take a look at the weapons. So so once again, the Delaque are the weirdos in the robes. Yeah, Codder's the religious people in the robes. Delaque is the weirdo cybernetics people in robes. So what do you get? You get a bunch of heads, some scopes, throwing knives. Okay, so you get 2 of each. So you have a grav gun. Okay, a heavy flamer, kind of useful. A plasma gun, definitely useful. A flamer. 2 last guns, so you get 4 last guns, of course. A long rifle, so you can use that as a sniper rifle or a long last or something. A web gun, not really that 40k friendly, but Inquisition stuff. A melt-a-gun, so you see you have the full extent of flamer, plasma gun, and melt-a-gun here. You're just missing a grenade launcher, and you have the full IG weapon, full slant of IG weapons. And then you get a plasma pistol, that's useful, and a web pistol. You probably can just use the web pistols as bolt pistols or last pistols. So let's check it out. I think I've only opened this once. I have not used it yet because I want to show it to you guys. So, okay, simple, but don't damage the box. Oh, it comes with a manual, really? There you go. Let's place that there. Okay, fix the mic. There you go. Let's place it there. Okay, so 2 identical sprues. Yep. Yeah, see, that's 2 identical sprues. You have a cute paper manual. The Games Workshop Specialist Games lines don't use the fancy printed color stuff, excluding Kill Team, of course. But Kill Team is essentially mainstream. It's side 40k, so they don't use the fancy paper, which is why they can print, make affordable or more affordable stuff. Okay, Still plastic rack, of course. So Necromunda, Delaque Weapons and Upgrades. This is a manual, plastic glue, cutters, blah blah blah. Just how to assemble your things that come with the box. Okay, so you should have 10 extra heads, which will be useful for, well, let's see. It might be useful for IG and maybe even Mechanicus. Maybe even Marines. Let's see. Okay. Of course, if you're playing Necromunda, they're great for ganks. So let's take a look at this brew. We'll just look at one to see how good this thing is. You see, Games Workshop Limited 2021. Okay, so this is a newer sprue. You can see it's very packed. It's the size of one normal sprue if you add them together, which is why they're relatively cheap. Okay, so you have the heads, or the heads. So the heads, 3 heads there, 2 more heads there. So 5 heads per sprue. Just take a close look at these heads. It's dudes with those weird eye scopes. It's a bunch of heads. So yeah, you can use them for your Imperial Guard, your Imperial Agents, your Inquisition, and I think you can even use them for Space Marines. Look at that. They're big enough to be not noticeable, and you know, just the eyes look very. Who does this? Iron Hands, you know, flesh is weak and stuff and all that. Okay, okay. So the thing is, this does not contain as many weapons as normal. I mean, as the other, I mean, I'm used to the Orlok and the Vansar and the Escher and the Goliath kits containing a lot of weapons. This one doesn't use that much because it has arms. It has a lot of space being used and plastic being used for the left or right arm. So both arms are on the sprue, which won't be a problem for conversions and stuff, but yes, take note, you do lose some weapon space. So yeah, there's the Laskin. Looks cool. Looks like a last carbon. That's the Weber, I guess. Plasma definitely. No, I think that's a Weber. I think that might be a Flamer, maybe. That's a Melta, clearly. I have no idea what that is. That's the Long Last. That's another last gun. That's the Heavy Flamer. Useful for your stand-in. Who uses Heavy Flamers? Katakan Command Squads, right? As of 10th edition. Okay. Throwing knives. That's cute. So, there you go. That's cute. That's it, guys. 2 sprues, identical. Manual. That's it. So, that was your Necromunda Delaque Weapons and Upgrades box. So it's a upgrade box, a bits box essentially for Necromunda that's usable, very usable for Warhammer 40,000 or even Horus Heresy if you. But Horus Heresy has a lot of bits already, yeah. So, you know, for customizing your 40k Astra Militarum IG armies, or maybe your Imperial Inquisitor, Imperial Agents armies, or maybe even your Space Marine ones. Okay. Anyway, so that's that. Okay. If you guys like the video, give the video a like, maybe. Subscribe to the channel if you like what we do here. This is the OCM Hobbies channel. Our main channel is over at the OC Mallrat, where we do conventions and expos and trade fairs and all that. So if you like that stuff, maybe swing by, take a look, and maybe stick around if you like what you see. Anyway, so hope you guys like this video. See you guys in my other videos. OC Mallrat out. OC Mallrat out, I guess. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out. Guys, hey, actually, I won't. So, okay. So I actually wanted to get the Delaque, the Delaque, what do you call that? The gang, the Delaque gangers, but I couldn't find any. But there's a Hive War box still at one of my friendly local game stores. Unfortunately, Hive War is really expensive, and it also has Eschers, which are always good. So, think of buying that. If we get that, I'll make an unboxing of Necromunda Hive War. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.